Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an order form on the Wix. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Wix website. Once you are in, you have to add the apps. And here you have to search the app of form. Once you are in, you have to click on the 123 form builder and payments and add this to your site. Now you have to agree and add this. Here you have to double click on it. Now you have to go on the forms, scroll down, here is the order form, you have to click on it. Now you have to go on the customize form, and here you have to add your email address and the password, and your order form has been added. So yeah, this is how you can add an order form on the Wix.